Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this little LED lamp, and this is one with which you can place in the background for videos and all that, or that you could use as a corner light to create some nice effects there. Pretty straightforward, looking pretty fancy. As you can see on the remote, there's quite some options to choose from here to customize it the way you want it, or how that you feel is the right one for you. And yeah, I think the colors are vibrant and looking really clean. The whole lamp is actually lit up and not just a little piece, which is good as well, because sometimes that's a problem that might occur after all when it's a little on the cheaper side. But that's not a problem at all here. And as you can see, there's like also some effects where it's actually moving and doing stuff. So yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty satisfied, liking it. I'm thinking it looking pretty slim. Also, there's like reactive mode for sounds that you can actually choose and use. Yeah, that's kind of what this is all about. I will just go through all the different modes that they have, and while I do that, I will stop talking and just, I don't know. There's no point in commentating everything you see. You will see it yourself, and yeah, feel free to check it out until you think you've seen enough, and then yeah, I will see you around in the next video, guys. So my name is Badger, take care, and until the next time, bye bye.